Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and hey, I'm outside right now. Hearing some airplanes in the background there, but I ain't worried about it. Tronsmart sent me a pair of the Tronsmart Apollo Bold active noise canceling earbuds. I got my full review coming up right now on Old Man New Tech. So anyways, I'm back from a long quarantine break here at Old Man New Tech. Yes, both Old Man and his wife had COVID-19, and so we're just recovering from it, and I'm really happy to be back. I had a good almost 2 weeks to get to know the Apollo Bold active noise canceling earbuds from Tronsmart. And as I said before, I'm a big fan of Tronsmart products. You've seen them featured here on this channel a few times, and they did send me a pair to review. I have to say it up front, but I always give you my honest opinion of what I love and maybe what could be improved on all the products that I get here at Old Man New Tech. So stick around to the end. You're going to see my final either thumbs up or maybe a pass on these, but do stick around to the very end. But you know I can't make this channel happen without you, so if you could, shoot me some thumbs up down below, maybe subscribe, and I'll be bringing more videos for you in the future. But hey, I'm rambling on. Let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box? Not till you give me the What's in the box?
All right, so let's unbox the Tronsmart Apollo Bold earbuds with the active noise canceling. And I see we have Qualcomm aptX chip technology on this, which means we're going to have some great sound separation and audio quality.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
If you want to look at all this information, feel free to do that, but I'm more interested on what's inside the box. Nice magnetic clasp on the outside, very classy. And whoa, we got a ton of more information on here now. This shows you all the frequency stuff, and I'm not an audiophile, I'm not a scientist. All I care about is how good does it sound. So let's see what we got inside the box. I see I have a protective cellophane cover here that says powering you ahead on it. But there is everything that's inside the box, and let's get everything out of here magically. All right, I managed to do some wrangling and get everything out of the box. I have taken the cellophane contacts off of the earbuds, so they are trying to pair to my phone right now. But we have extra ear tips here. These are the silicone ear tips. We've got our USB-C cable. And yes, Tronsmart does deliver on the USB-C. I love it. I've got a special carrying sack.
That's what she said!
In case I wanted to put my earbud case into a sack for safe travels. I've got my warranty card, which Tronsmart gives you a 15-month warranty. They do stand behind their products, and I also have a quick start guide and the user manual. We are going to be paying attention to these since there are multiple taps in order to activate the active noise canceling. And finally we have the case. Tronsmart is subtly engraved on the top there. It's got a nice spring-loaded hinge on it, and it does hold the lid open, and it's a pretty small case. I mean, look at the size of it in my hand there.
That's what she said!
And it should fit into my pocket real easy. I should be able to get it out of my pocket real easy. There's our port on the back, our USB-C port. And there is one indicator light on the front. I kind of wish I had a few more indicator lights so I could actually see the level on here, but from what I understand, it's flashing red right now, which means that it's below 10%. And we have our earbuds, and as you can see, they're flashing just to try to pair to something. We're going to take care of that here in a second. And the earbuds themselves are a little bit unique shape, and these will really look different in my ears. I'm going to have this little round disc here inside of my ear with this bronze gold trimming around the edges, very classy looking. And these are inner ear, so you do need to get a tight fit on them. We can see our charging contacts there. There's also a tiny little window right there, and that's actually a sensor that will tell the earbuds when they are out of my ears so they can shut my music off or stop playing whatever I'm playing.
That's pretty cool, I guess.
And then turn them on again when I put them back in my ears. As you can see, there's a little bit of size to them, and that is to sport some rather large drivers that they have inside. These do have large drivers inside, and I'm expecting some really good sound. All right, they're in the case, and they are labeled L and R for left and right. When we close the case, I'm seeing this red flashing that lets me know that the case is under 10% charged. So we're going to charge these up. But first I want to sync them to my phone. All right, syncing to my phone should be as easy as pulling the earbuds out of the case. and hitting Bluetooth. And I see Tronsmart Apollo Bold. I'm going to touch that. Now the trick to these is to wait a second because it's going to ask to pair again. And what this is doing is it's actually causing these to pair independently to my iPhone. And that allows me for independent usage. These are truly paired independently, so you can swap them in and out and there is almost no delay in playing your music. Now let's go see what they sound like. Okay, so we're back and I do have the Tronsmart earbuds out of the box and we're gonna put them in and see how they fit. They are a pretty comfortable fit. And they're pairing up with my phone right now as we speak. You'll see them flashing there while they're syncing up. And I do like the profile of them. Looking straight on, I'm not seeing too much of the earbuds projecting out from my head, but you do see earbuds in there. And sometimes I like the fact that somebody who is maybe walking up to me or sees me on the street, they can see that I do have earbuds in my ears. And as I said before, I love the size of this case. It is really a tiny little puck that I can fit right in my pocket. One thing that I do note that is missing on this that I would like to see in the future maybe is Qi wireless charging. But they do compensate for that by having that USB-C charging, which gives me a quick charge. This case will charge up in about 2 hours, as well as the earbuds themselves. Touch controls are real easy to use. I tap 3 times to activate the active noise canceling. I tap once for volume. Yes, you do get volume, which is awesome. And I'm able to call up Assistant, skip forward and backwards with my tracks. They really packed all the features into these earbuds.
No way!
Now, these earbuds are Bluetooth 5.0 and you are going to get almost 0 latency, and I was able to set my phone down and walk a good 100 feet away from my phone before I started breaking up. Now speaking of charging, I was able to charge these in about 2 hours, and once I got them charged, I was able to listen to them for a good 7 to 8 hours. That's with the active noise canceling on and off. I reviewed some that last only 3.5 to 4 hours with the active noise canceling on. Now there are 3 active noise canceling settings. There's active noise canceling off, and then there's ambient, which allows me to hear things that are going on around me. And then straight active noise canceling, which drowns out most background noise, but you will still be able to hear voices or if your dog barks or something. Now the fit on these is pretty comfortable. I mean, they do look a little bit large, but they're very comfortable. Once I got them in, I got used to them really quick, and I'm able to wear them for a couple of hours before I even notice that they're there. And they do have a triangular contact point with these earbuds, which supposedly keeps them in place and you're able to work out. And they're IPX45, which means that you're going to be able to sweat on them, splash them, and they're dust proof. I wouldn't submerge them though. But let's try to give them the shake test and see if they can fall out. Whoa! So they stayed in really good. You're going to have no problem running, jogging, and working out with these earbuds. Now the active noise canceling again works really good. I was very impressed by this, and considering the price on these, which is priced at or just below $100, you're getting a lot of value with the earbuds with this sort of active noise canceling and having all the controls built into the earbuds themselves. Now Tronsmart does have an app that you can use, and you'll be able to customize the earbuds any way you like and also play with the active noise canceling settings. And the app also has equalizer settings, so you can set the earbuds for the type of music that you're listening to, including rock and jazz. Now as far as the sound goes for the Tronsmart Apollo Bold earbuds, I gotta tell you, my mind was blown. The bass on these earbuds is almost a haptic style of bass. I mean, haptic meaning that you almost sense the bass. You can really feel it almost. And I'm getting such a wide field of sound out of these that it feels very much like I'm wearing premium headphones. Now while I say the bass is super strong, the bass is not drowning the mids or the highs out. It's still a well-balanced sound, but man, the bass in these is so impressive. I find it hard to believe that I'm listening to earbuds that are under $100. Links down below, by the way. Sound separation is fantastic, and I tell you what, These are some of the best sounding earbuds that I've listened to in all my years of reviewing electronics. Tronsmart really went overboard with the Apollo Bold as far as sound goes. As I mentioned before, I'm able to get 7 to 8 hours of usage out of these earbuds, and the case itself will charge the earbuds a good 3 times. Now, as far as the call quality goes, I'm happy to report that the call quality is excellent on these earbuds. The person on the other end was able to hear me with no problem at all, but I want you guys to give a listen to it yourself, and here's a microphone sample for you. And you are listening to the microphone quality of the Tronsmart Apollo Bold earbuds. And I should be coming through loud and clear, but I want to hear what you think in the comments down below. And now, the final thoughts. So my final thoughts are Tronsmart's taken a lot of the features being offered by the premium sound companies today, and they combine them all into one affordable set of earbuds. You got active noise canceling in 3 settings. You've got Type-C charging for quick charging. You've got sensors that turn the music off and on when you pull them out of your ears. It's like magic. And the sound on these, again, is incredible. I mean, these sound like you're listening to headphones with 40mm drivers. Don't know how they pack so much sound into these earbuds, but they sound awesome. So my only criticisms are, I wish there would be wireless charging with these, and I wish there was more than one LED light on the front of these to let me know what the power level is on the case itself. But those are minor nitpicks compared to the value that you're getting out of these earbuds. So I have no choice but to give the Tronsmart Apollo Bold active noise canceling earbuds a big thumbs up. Hey! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.
Thank you.